summer.
Good evening everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to finally get around to changing the CD player on my Leon Cupra. Haven't got around to doing the Honda one yet, simple reason being bloody expensive. I'll do that at some point. As you can see, as I said in a previous video, it's a bloody awful unit. It does have the 6 CD changer with it, but that's crap. The buttons don't work, they're all stuck in and everything, so I thought it was about time to actually change it. I haven't got any. I got a new system, nothing fancy. This Pioneer unit I got from Halford. It was like 40 quid. It'll do for what I need it for. So yeah, today literally I'll just be giving you a quick video on basically how to remove it and install the new one. So fingers crossed it actually all goes to plan. First thing you need is a removal tools. It's like these metal doodads here that I've got. Well, I got a set on Amazon. It came with these a connection for the radio and a facer, so literally it'll sit over the front to make it neater and everything. So first thing you need to do is remove the old unit. Hopefully I'll set the camera up now and hopefully you'll be able to see it. So yeah, I'll come back to you now when I set the camera up. Okay, so first things first, using these clips, you can actually use a metal nail file or something. Literally all you do underneath, I have removed this already, 2 little holes, pop them in there, and then when it connects you hear like a clicking, pull it and a unit will come with you. Once you've done that, the thing literally slides out and you've got the connections there, which I've taken out already just so I got a bit of a head start, but it's pretty straightforward really. You just take connections out of there and there, and you've got an aerial one which pops into you, so I can literally chuck that out of the way because it's a pain in the ass. And then got my new unit here, which the connections, the kit that I bought actually came with another adapter as well, which I know you need, and Halfords are charging 8 to 9 quid for this. The whole set alone with a fascia and everything only cost me $9.99 as I said on Amazon, so it's definitely worth picking up before changing this. So yeah, let's hook these up and yeah, we'll good to go. Okay, so I've connected the wires up that from the original obviously cables onto the additional ones that I've got, which looks a bit of a mess, but it's meant to be like that. You've got a spare one here, which I believe is maybe for the multi-changer, I'm not sure. The only issue I've got is the set that they sent me came with this for the radio, doesn't actually fit in mine, so means I won't have the radio, maybe, I don't know. Not that I'm overly concerned anyway. You need to put the fascia on first, don't do what I've just done and put it the other way around and I wondered why it doesn't fit. So yeah, we're going to push this on now and connect it all up. Hopefully it will work, fingers crossed, but we shall see. So start the car, well, power the car up and we have life. Fits in lovely. As I said, the fascia come with it, it's a bit loose, but the one that I bought, it makes it sit in there. So the moment of truth now is to see if it actually works with my phone. It's not Bluetooth unfortunately, but as I said, 40 quid. What do you expect really? It's got Spotify control on there, not really sure how that works yet, but I'll try and set that up. So what I'm going to do is connect my phone now with the auxiliary port and auxiliary cable and see what I actually get out of there. I said hopefully we'll get a bit of life. We have life. It actually works, so got to put a bit of try it out with a bit of Fozzy, can't fault it. So yes, that's all in, and it sounds pretty good as well. Playing off my old Samsung, so it's not great. It says compatible for Android and stuff as well, but I'll have a look through the book later on and let's see what I want to say, how to work the Spotify settings and things like that as well. So yeah, folks, that's everything for today. I hope you liked the video. As I said, just a quick idea how to install this. You do have a Leon, maybe the Golf's the same as well. Not sure. So it's a quick idea on how to do it. It's pretty straightforward, really. So I think anyone can do it. Next challenge is for the Civic, which I know that's going to be fun. I'm half tempted to do it myself to see what to do with loads of videos on YouTube and everything. I just got to buy the connection first. So if any of my subscribers have a Honda and they're selling the connections and the surround and everything for it, let me know. Comment on here or inbox me on my Instagram, Twitter, all my social media. All the links and everything are in the main page. So yeah, hook me up. Thank you for watching this video. Sorry if I've waffled on. If you know what you're doing anyway, then you probably want to watch this video. But I thought just to help out for people who are maybe new of doing a few basic installations and audio stuff and everything. Give the video a big thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more content to come. Thank you everyone. Ciao.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.